Hey, Jake. Do you have any fun plans for the weekend?
Hey, Emma. I'm planning to go hiking. There's this new trail I want to explore. What about you?
That sounds awesome. I'm planning to try out a new recipe. I've been really into cooking lately. Do you like cooking?
I do, but I'm more of a barbecue guy. There's something about grilling that's so relaxing. Do you enjoy cooking all types of food?
Mostly. I love experimenting with different cuisines. Speaking of which, here's a joke for you. Why don't eggs tell jokes?
Haha, I don't know. Why?
Because they'd crack each other up.
Good one, Emma. So, other than cooking, what other hobbies do you have?
I love reading and painting. They're great ways to unwind after a busy day. How about you? Any other hobbies besides hiking?
I play the guitar and enjoy playing soccer with friends. It's a good way to stay active and have fun. What got you into painting?
I've always loved art. It's a great way to express myself. What about you and the guitar? When did you start playing?
I started in high school. It's a great stress reliever and a fun way to connect with people. Do you have a favorite book?
That's a tough one. I'd say Pride and Prejudice. I love the wit and romance. What's your favorite song to play on the guitar?
Probably Hotel California. It's a classic and always a hit at gatherings. Here's another joke for you. Why did the Scarecrow win an award?
I don't know. Why?
Because he was outstanding in his field.
Nice one, Jake. Do you think having hobbies is important?
Definitely. They help you relax and can even teach you new skills. What do you think?
I agree. Hobbies add balance to life and give you something to look forward to.
Have you ever tried a hobby and realized it wasn't for you?
Oh, yes. I tried knitting once and found it too frustrating. How about you?
I tried learning French, but I didn't stick with it. Maybe I'll give it another shot someday. Do you prefer indoor or outdoor hobbies?
I like both, but I lean more towards indoor activities like reading and painting. What about you?
Mostly outdoor. Hiking, soccer, and barbecuing are my go-tos. Here's a question. If you could pick up any hobby instantly, what would it be?
I'd love to learn how to play the piano. It's such a beautiful instrument. How about you?
Probably skydiving. It looks thrilling. Do you think it's important to try new hobbies?
Absolutely. It keeps life interesting and you might discover a hidden talent. Have you tried anything new recently?
I tried paddleboarding for the first time last month. It was a lot of fun. Do you ever combine your hobbies?
Sometimes. I love cooking while listening to an audiobook. It's a great way to multitask. Do you ever play guitar while camping?
Yes, it's one of my favorite things to do. Playing music under the stars is amazing. Here's another joke. Why don't some fish play piano?
Haha, why not?
Because you can't tune a fish.
Good one. Do you think having a hobby can improve your work life?
Definitely. It helps reduce stress and can improve your mood. What do you think?
I agree. It gives you something to look forward to after work and can make you more productive.
Do you ever share your hobbies with friends or family?
Yes, I love cooking for friends and having painting sessions with my mom. Do you share yours?
For sure. Playing soccer and hiking are great ways to hang out with friends. Do you have any hobbies you'd like to try in the future?
I'd love to try pottery. It looks like a lot of fun and a good way to be creative. What about you?
I want to try scuba diving. Exploring underwater life sounds amazing. Do you think hobbies can help build new friendships?
Absolutely. They provide common ground and can bring people together. Have you made friends through your hobbies?
Yes, I met some great people through soccer and music. Here's another question. Do you think schools should encourage more hobbies?
Definitely. Hobbies can help kids discover their passions and develop new skills. Do you agree?
I do. It's important for personal growth and finding balance in life. Here's one last joke. What do you call a musician who loves fishing?
Haha, I don't know. What?
A bass player.
Nice one, Jake. This has been a fun chat. It's great to talk about hobbies and how they enrich our lives.
Agreed, Emma. Let's catch up again soon and maybe even try out a new hobby together.
That sounds like a plan. Have a great day, Jake.
You too, Emma. Take care.